Hi everyone. So our topic for today is all about subtracting integers. So dito meron tayo ditong 6 examples that you might encounter. So let's start with letter A. So we have here 5 minus 2. So dito, kung mapapansin nyo, yung sign ng ating larger number, which is si 5 ay positive. So therefore, yung magiging sign ng ating sagot ay also positive. And then next, subtract lang natin yung 2 numbers. So we have 5 minus 2. And 5 minus 2 is positive 3. And for letter B, we have here 3 minus 7. So first, tingnan natin yung magiging sign ng ating sagot. So yung ating larger number, which is 7, ay may negative sign. So therefore, yung magiging sign ng ating sagot ay also negative. And then next is to proceed to subtraction. So isubtract natin yung 2 numbers, pero dapat unahin natin yung larger number. And the next is yung smaller number. So we have 7 minus 3, so that is 4. So we have negative 4. And then for letter C, we have here 3 minus negative 6. And kung mapapansin nyo, yung ating 2 negative sign ay magkatabi. So ang gagawin natin dyan ay gawin nating positive. So that is equal to 3 plus 6. And 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And then letter D, we have here negative 9 minus 1. So dito, yung ating 2 numbers ay may negative sign. So ang gagawin lang natin dyan, kopyahin natin yung negative sign. And then i-add lang natin si 9 and 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have negative 10. And then letter E, negative 4 minus negative 8. So dito, meron tayo ditong tatlong sign. So ang gagawin natin is, gawin nating dalawa yung sign ng ating given. So dito, magkatabi yung ating negative sign. So magiging positive na yan. So we have negative 4 plus 8. And then next, tingnan natin yung magiging sign ng ating sagot. So yung sign ng ating larger number ay positive. So therefore, magiging positive yung sign ng ating sagot. And then next, proceed na tayo sa subtraction. But first, unahin natin yung larger number. And then next is yung smaller number. So 8 minus 4 is positive 4. And then last, we have here negative 7 minus negative 5. So kagaya ng letter E, meron tayong tatlong sign. So ang gagawin natin dyan, gawin nating dalawa yung ating sign. So that is equal to negative 7. So ito magiging positive na yan. So that is negative 7 plus 5. And then, next, tingnan natin yung magiging sign ng ating sagot. So yung ating larger number ay may negative sign. So therefore, we have negative. And then next, proceed na tayo sa subtraction. So we have 7 minus 5. And 7 minus 5, so that is equal to 2. So we have negative 2 as our final answer. And aside from that, pwede nating sagutan to using what we call number line. So first, iguhit muna natin yung number line natin. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito sa ating number line. So first step, kunin natin si positive 5. And then markahan natin. Now, kapag nag-add tayo, magmo-move tayo sa right side. And then kapag naman nagsusubtract tayo, magmo-move tayo sa left side. So dito, we have minus 2. So that means magmo-move tayo ng 2 units to the left. So 1, 2. So we have positive 3. And then how about letter B? So first, iguhit muna natin yung number line natin. Okay, so first, kunin natin si positive 3 and then markahan natin. And then next, we have minus 7. So magmo-move tayo sa left side. So mag-move tayo ng 7 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have negative 4. And then for letter C, okay. So in this case, dito tayo magfo-focus sa 3 plus 6. So hindi natin pwedeng gamitin to as our guide since magkatabi yung ating 2 sign. So first, kunin natin si positive 3. And then markahan natin. And then we have positive 6. So nag-add tayo ng positive numbers. So mag-move tayo to the right side. So mag-move tayo ng 6 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, we have positive 9. And then letter D. So kunin natin si negative 9. Markahan natin. And then we have minus 1. So mag-move tayo ng 1 unit to the left side. So we have 1. So therefore, we have negative 10. Now, how about letter E? Okay, so dito tayo mag-focus. So hindi natin gagamitin to since meron tayong tatlong sign. So first, kunin natin si negative 4. Then markahan natin. And we have positive 8. So mag-move tayo ng 8 units to the right side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have positive 4. Okay, so that's it. And then for letter F, try nyo rin siyang sagutan. And then dito naman sa baba, we have here 10 practice exercises. So pwede nyo tong i-post and then try nyo siyang sagutan. Okay, so let's start with number 1. So we have here negative 4 minus 3. So dito, yung sign ng ating two numbers ay negative. So therefore, magiging negative yung sign ng ating sagot. And then next, i-add lang natin si 4 and 3. So we have negative 7. And then for number 2, we have here 3 minus negative 2. So again, kapag may nakita kayong magkatabing negative sign, magiging positive na yan. So that is equal to 3 plus 2. And 3 plus 2 is positive 5. And then number 3, we have here 5 minus 11. So first, tingnan natin yung sign ng ating larger number. So yung sign ng ating larger number ay negative. So therefore, magiging negative yung sign ng ating sagot. And then next, proceed na tayo sa subtraction. So dapat unahin natin yung larger number and then next is yung smaller number. So 11 minus 5, so that is 6. So we have negative 6. And then for number 4, we have here negative 12 minus 12. So kagaya ng number 1, yung ating two numbers ay may negative sign. So therefore, magiging negative yung sign ng ating sagot. And then, i-add lang natin yung dalawang 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So we have negative 24. And then for number 5, negative 10 minus negative 13. So meron tayong tatlong sign. So ang gagawin natin dyan ay gawin nating dalawa. So that is equal to negative 10. So ito, magkatabi yung negative sign, magiging positive na yan. So negative 10 plus 13. And then next, tingnan natin yung sign ng larger number. So we have positive as the sign of our larger number. So magiging positive yung sign ng ating sagot. And then next, proceed na tayo sa subtraction. So we have 13 minus 10. And 13 minus 10 is positive 3. And then number 6, we have here negative 15 minus negative 5. So kagaya ng number 5, we have here 3 sign. So gawin nating dalawa. So that is the same as negative 15. So magkatabi yung negative sign, magiging positive na yan. Plus 5. And then next, tingnan natin yung sign ng ating larger number. So we have negative. So magiging negative yung sign ng ating sagot. And then next, proceed to subtraction. So we have 15 minus 5. And 15 minus 5 is 10. So therefore, we have negative 10. And then for number 7, so ito yung pinakamadali sa lahat. So first, yung sign ng ating larger number ay positive. So therefore, magiging positive yung sign ng ating sagot. And then, isubtract lang natin. So 9 minus 6 is just positive 3. And then for number 8, we have here 20 minus negative 15. So this is equal to 20. So again, magkatabi yung negative sign natin, magiging positive. So 20 plus 15. 20 plus 15, so that is positive 35. And then for number 9, dito, tingnan natin yung sign ng larger number. So si 13, meron siyang negative na sign. So, ang magiging sign ng ating sagot ay also negative. Then next, proceed na tayo sa subtraction. So, unahin natin si 13 and then minus 7. And 13 minus 7, so we have 6. And then last, number 10, we have here negative 6 minus negative 5. So, tatlo yung ating sign dito. So, gawin nating dalawa. So, that is equal to negative 6. So, magkatabi yung sign natin. Plus 5. Then, tingnan natin yung sign ng ating larger number. So, yung sign niya 6 ay negative. So, therefore, negative yung sign ng ating magiging sagot. And then next, proceed na tayo sa subtraction. So, we have 6 minus 5. And 6 minus 5 is 1. So, therefore, we have negative 1 as our final answer. Okay? So, tapos na tayo. And keep on practicing para ma-master nyo how to subtract integers. So, that's it. And thanks for watching.